Hey guys, welcome to another wonderful video, and this video is going to go straight to the point, hitting the nail on the head, which is creating a $5,000 tournament account without paying 0 naira, just completing tax, and you're able to get the account. So now the first thing you're going to do is click on this link, which is right here, and it's going to take you onto your web browser. So I'm going to let it load up into the giveaway of prop firm right here. So it's a giveaway of prop firm. Just complete tax and get yourself funded with 5,000. Now you can see what it says. Watch this. You can go through this when you get here. So I don't want the video to be very long. The first thing I want to do is join the Discord server. Now click on join and verify here. And when I click on join and verify, basically I've joined it. I was creating the first video and I got stopped out. So when you create this, you're going to join like this and click on the top first one, which is verify here. When you click on verify here, you will see this going to say verify. Then I'm going to click on verify. Then it told me you already verified because I've already verified this account. So I'm going to go back to here and click on continue right here. So when you click on continue, it's going to do its unique stuff and load up. Now I'm waiting for it to load up. So I'm going to come in here and paste in my Gmail right here, and I'm going to type in the password. So while password is being typed, I'm just going to wait for it to log me in, and it's going to do its unique stuff, and it's going to keep on scrolling. Then you say authorize, and after you say authorize, it's going to do its unique stuff again and get you logged in. And the next thing it's going to ask for is your phone number. So I'm going to call in my phone number. So I'm going to click on this. You already know my phone number. I'm going to save this right here. So now the next thing it's going to ask for is going to prove that you are human. Definitely I'm human doing this video, so I'm going to wait for this to load up, and okay, it automatically proved I'm human. Then you can see that one say checked. Then I'm going to go up and go to visit this. So I'm going to say visit the firm, and after visiting, I'm just going to get my Instagram right here. Then I say have you followed? Yes. Then I continue. And the next one is Facebook. I'm going to go on to Facebook right here to do the following of the accounts. So I'm going to come in here and follow, and I'm going to go back and come back here and say yes, then click on continue. I'm going to go on to their TikTok page. Make sure you do the following, please. You want to get yourself on a good aspect for it. I'm going to go on to there and follow them also. Then I'm going to go back. I'm going to ask for my username, so I'm going to come here and click on username to copy this and go back.
Stop the video.
No need. I'm going to ask for this. I'm going to paste this and click on continue. Now right here, I'm going to copy this. So this is your coupon code, or capon as we call it. So I'm going to copy this capon code. Now when you have copied this, now this is what you want to do. Now you have copied this, you go back to your WhatsApp right here, and you see the second link which says the login sign up. You want to sign up right here, so you're going to go back and click this link right here to sign up. So for signing up, I'm going to accept all cookies. Then I'm going to create my account. So I'm just going to create my account right here.
No.
I'm going to place in a password. So I'm just going to write in the password to complete the verification process. Then I'm going to click on I agree and click on continue. Then now it says welcome to prop firm capital. Then I'm going to go on and to my Gmail to verify the coming in. So I'm going to go on to my Gmail to verify I just created the account, and I'm going to say confirm the URL. I'm going to confirm URL to say that yes, I really want to sign up for this and get the account done and dusted. So while waiting for this to load up, it's going to say you have been verified successfully. I'm going to click on sign in. Now right here, I'm going to sign in with my login. After this video, I'm going to change my login, so you'll not be able to log into my account. So just know that I'll be changing my login. And need to sign me to my account. So I'm waiting for it to do the signing me into my account. And now you can see I've signed in. So what you want to do is come to do your verification, but I'm not going to be doing verification. I'm going to go straight to getting the account. You click on this three icon right on top and click on challenges. Now you can only use that coupon code for this $5,000 two-phase account. I'm going to click on $58 to do it. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on type promo code, and I'm going to paste it, then paste, then I click on I agree, continue also, then it says start challenge, and I say start, then it says it has been applied successfully. And after this has been applied successfully, you can see that the account will be, the login to the account will be sent to your Gmail, but I'm not going to open mine, so because I cannot change that login, but to be sent, you can see you open a new challenge. This message right here, this top message is a message with my login, and I'm going to open it so that you don't get into my account. So that's it for the video, guys. So log into your account with MetaTrader 4. If there's a need for me to create a video on that, I'll also be creating it, but that'll be a bye for now, guys. So peace out.